people will die. And that's what's at stake right now.
These are serious.
My pregnancies were both very difficult, both ended in emergency cesarean section.
Sometimes life-threatening scenarios.
I almost died in childbirth. I almost became that statistic of a Black woman who is 3 times as likely to die from childbirth complications
That affect women from all walks of life.
You don't have to suffer when it comes to menopause.
As the government remains shut down in a virtual stalemate between political parties. Ahead of World Menopause Day Saturday, Planned Parenthood advocates and Representative Jennifer McClellan say if Congress doesn't renew the enhanced premium tax credits for the Affordable Care Act before the end of the year, not only will premiums increase, but thousands of Virginians are expected to drop their plans, losing access to no-cost contraception and putting women's reproductive health services at risk.
that in addition to preventing pregnancy, contraception is used for everything from treating ovarian cysts to treating menopause symptoms to treating fibroids. And it's really critically important that not only you have a right to access it, but you have the ability to access it. And most insurance plans, especially under the Affordable Care Act, pay for that contraception.
McClellan says these medical issues for women could become more commonplace if a compromise at the federal level isn't decided fast.
PCOS, endometriosis. All of these things are contraception is used to manage.
This isn't just a want, it's a need.
We are seeing reductions in Medicaid, the expiration of critical health tax credits, the defunding of Planned Parenthood, and deep cuts to the Title X family planning program. Each of these attacks alone would hurt patients, but together they represent an unprecedented attack on access to basic health care.
The representative says Americans and Virginians on the state health care exchange are already receiving word of rising premiums. I reached out to Republican Representatives John McGuire and Rob Whitman in response to McClellan's statements, but at this time, I've not heard back.
You can go and check what your premiums will be next year because the notices are going out, but they're available on the website right now. Open enrollment to renew your insurance starts November 1st. And so now is the time to make sure you know what's going to happen and make your voice heard.
Reporting in Richmond, AJ Nwoko, CBS 6 News.